Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a video tutorial on how to make a loading bar with Python. We won't be using any graphical user interface. We will try to implement it purely with print function. Yes, print this method only. How to make an animated loading bar with only print function. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before I start coding, I need to implement few of the library function from time library, and one of the function is sleep. We have already covered different type of library function in other tutorials, so you can watch that videos. So let's get started. I will import the from time. I will import sleep function, and to make that animated bar, we will be defining or we will be writing a method. Let's say the method name is progress, and let's initialize with the percent value, or let's say it's p, set it with 0, and that bar should have also a width, a fixed width, so that width is equal w equal to 0. uh, let's say it is w equal to 0 here, and okay, let's define this function. And in the function, in the method body, we are going to write a variable left, where this left variable will show the left side of the bar, extreme left of the bar, which should have a percentage of multiplication of width and percent. Since we are making a 100% bar, we will try to divide. No, sorry, we won't be dividing. We will take the floor value with 100. Okay, since it has a left value, we will also set the right value as width minus left. Yes. Okay, so now let's write the print function here. So in the print function, we need a return value. As you can, as we have already shown the uses of a return function or the backslash r in our tutorials, in the previous tutorial. So we will start this paragraph with opening third bracket. Then we will print this loading sequence with hash. And now let's take the left value with star operator left. Then we will use the empty quotation. Then we will print the right value, and then we'll close the third bracket or the bar. And since we are especially making a format, we will need a formatting sequence here. So for that, we are going to use if, format if. For format if, we're going to use in bracket. Since the percentage will be in a floating number, we are using p colon 0. Sorry, 0.0f percentage. Then we're going to close the format here. After that, as you can see, the syntax need to be used with separator and ending value. Let's use sep equal to empty quotation, end equal to empty quotation as well, again quotation as well, and you can use the flash function as well or not. Let's set the flash to true, it will flash the buffer. Now we need a for loop. Let's write a for loop here. For I, we're taking I as a variable. For I in range, since it's a 100% bar, it will work till 101. Let's bring the progress. I will be passing I to the progress, and then let's take delay for 0.01 second. Hopefully it's going to work. Let's run the code. It's getting an error, right? Yeah. Why it's getting an error? Why it's it should have worked. Okay, let's see. In line 7, okay, we're getting an error in line 7. Oh, sorry, mistake there. Okay, hopefully this is going to work. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I have done some syntax mistake here. Let's see what we have. Okay, okay. 0%. We're posing the float variable separator and it's right. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, hopefully it's going to run now. Oh, it's not loading. It's not making the loading animation because we set the y equal to 0, so the y is not increasing. Let's set the y value to like 30. Let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, it's really working, but as you can see the delay is really fast, so we will try to decrease the delay here. Let's make it 0.1 second. Hopefully it will be a nice animation. Yes, it's really working nice. Mm, okay, yes, perfect, 100% loaded. So yes, that's the tutorial. And you can set the y to any range from any integer value. For 0 there will be no loading symbol, but 30 seems ideal for me here. And sorry, 30 seems ideal for me here. Here also you can also change the symbol or the character you wish to print. Like I can also use star symbol, anything I want for printing the loading bar. And yes, it's working fine. Also I can if I want, I can flash the buffer or not. You can also set the flash to false. It will work fine, right? Yes, it's really working fine, but it's taking more time because I didn't flash the buffer, so it's just consuming the memory. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video and find it useful. uh, till next video, take care. We'll be making some more videos on advanced topic on Python. So that's it. See you on next video. Bye.